Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix lag on games and etc. Uh, on Victus HP laptop. So what you'll need to do is open HP Gaming Hub. So it is called Omen Gaming Hub, and here you'll see your Victus laptop. Click on that one, and here where it says Performance Controls, you'll need to choose power mode. So make sure it is on performance and your laptop is plugged into wall or electricity to get some power. And here where it says graphics switcher, you may need to turn to discrete. If you're on the hybrid, it can load or lag a little bit more, but if you turn discrete, you'll be able to play a game or run a program no problem. So that's pretty much it. That's how I fix lag on Victus HP laptop. So thank you guys. Leave a nice comment for the algorithm and see you in the next one. Peace.